Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Interview in 3 Steps. This is Manisha Kumari and today I am going to teach you slicing of list part 2. So here I will discuss you negative index list slicing. So how can we perform the negative indexes list slicing on list, that we will see in this video. So before going to start, I will request you all kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, so if I will upload any video you will get the notification easily. So now I am going to start negative index list slicing. So there are 4 different ways you can print your negative indexes using the list slicing. So the first one is to print element from beginning to a range. If you want to print the element from beginning to end, beginning to a specific range, then you can use colon minus index. The second one, if you want to print the element from a specific index till end, then you can use minus index colon. If you want to print the element within a range, then you can use minus start index colon minus end index. The fourth one and the very important, that is to print the whole list in reverse order, then you can use colon minus 1. So now I am going to explain this by using one example. Here I have taken one list A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. I have taken one list of the combination of a string in one list. So here I am printing this list, it will give all the values. So by using this example, I can explain all 4 conditions. So first one is, if you want to print the elements from beginning to a range, then colon minus index. So okay, I am assigning this in slice list, and here what I have to do, colon, then like colon means beginning, before that 0 is there. So colon minus 6 means from starting to whatever range you want, up to which index you want, that I have taken. So colon minus 6, and I am printing that slice list. So what is the output? So here minus 1, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11. So I want the element from colon. So colon, this is the colon, to minus 6. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, so I have what the element I will get? This one, A, B, C, D, E. The second is to specific index to end. Like if you want the print the element to a specific index to the end, that colon. So I want to print the element from minus 6 to colon. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 6 to colon, minus 6 to colon. So what I will get? So this one is the minus 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. From here I will get the colon. So to end I want. So what it will the output? F, G, H, I, J, K. The third one is to print the element within a range. Like I have mentioned one, I have to mention one start index, a start negative index and end negative index. So L minus 6 colon minus 3. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Minus 6 to what is that? Minus 3. So what is the output? F, G and H. If you go to the, you know that if you go to the end index, it will take the end minus 1. So here one trick is also come. In the third one trick is there. If you want to print from minus 3 to colon minus 6, it will show only an empty list, because this will not go, it will, because negative indexes, in the case of you want to print, you can go to a high to low, you can low to high, you cannot go to high to low. So here one exception will come. And the last one is print the whole list in reverse order. So print the whole list colon minus 1. So colon means starting 0, last 0, and minus 1 means from here. So it will go and start the printing in the reverse order. So today's topic is finished. And now if you like my channel, kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, So again I will make the video on the other topics. So thank you for your watching.